Hi, this is something new in our channel. It's 24 hours date challenge. That is, she needs to have only date food for the 24 hours. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned.
Hi guys! The red challenge has started. As you can see, we have beautiful flowers. And plus I'm wearing a red dress with some bows. So I am very excited because I want to see what types of red things we have. And it's a 24 hours, that means one whole day. So be connected to see what I do in this video. Hi guys, so today we're doing the red challenge. And for the red challenge, we're going to the supermarket to get some grocery done. I'm just going to be seeing what kind of red stuff they have there, like an apple, healthy, or maybe some Cheetos, unhealthy. So I'll see you guys when we're at the supermarket. So I got some red Oreos and I'm very lucky. The Coles basket is also red, so yeah, I don't have to hold everything in my hands. And this is just in front of Coles, so let's get going. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorite drinks. It's red in the cover, so I think it still counts as a red drink. Off I go. Okay, the fruit section. Healthy strawberries, okay? Something healthy at least. Okay. Off to my next station. And they've got some Kit Kat. Yummy Kit Kat. Who doesn't like Kit Kat? Not me, I really like it. More chocolate? Orandos. Who doesn't like that? I do like it. So that's where my trolley goes. Okay, next station. Ice cream. Wait, am I getting new ice cream? You have to see. Lots of choices, but I don't find. Oh yeah, I actually found something weird. What's that? Oh, raspberry flavor. Okay, now I'm at Big Daddy, and as you can see, a humongous watermelon. And now I am at the 7-Eleven. My dad went there to just get some oil pumping. And now I'm getting a Slurpee. It's pink, but you'll see later what happens. It is like ice, but it's like flavored ice. But it's good. Really sweet. And really icy. And we didn't really find the red color, so we got a pink one. But it still counts. I mean, like, it looks kind of red on the top, right?
Now it's time for rate lunch. I will quickly show you what I served in this rate lunch. Heat 1 teaspoon oil and throw in garam masala, cinnamon and cardamom. Also 1 star anise. Some whole cumin seeds. Saute till you get a very good aroma out of this. Now I am adding some chopped onion and I will saute till it gets brown. Also I added some salt here. Ginger and garlic paste 1 teaspoon each. Mix them for 2 minutes and then you add the chopped beetroot. That beetroot will give the nice red color to your rice. Now add the boiled rice and 1 teaspoon salt and mix all this together. You can also add some nuts and scrambled eggs to make the fried rice even tastier. Mix all together and we are done. For our red skewer, I have taken red bell pepper, cherry tomato and chicken marinated with tandoori masala, which is as well red. Spray oil in hot pan and put the skewers on it and let the chicken cook on top of the pan. You can see some brownish color or blackish color when it's done. In between, you can brush some melted butter or oil on the skewers. That will make it much more tastier with some buttery flavor. That should take 15 minutes and then we are done. Our lunch is ready. My beautiful red lunch is now ready to be served. Let's see whether she likes it or not.
Hi guys! It is afternoon and I'm very hungry because I just took my bath. So now I'm going to be eating my lunch. Let's see what we have for lunch. We have some red rice, I believe that's what it's called. We've got some tomato and chicken sticks and some yogurt.
Capsicum also.
Oh yeah, capsicum. Okay. And we've got some chobani yogurt, strawberry. So let's see how it tastes. It tastes really good. It's like a little bit sweet. I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to be taste like.
It's beetroot pulao.
So you made it out of beetroot?
Yes, that's how it's red.
That makes sense. Okay, now I'm going to be eating the chicken sticks. The taste is really good. Chicken is well fried. So this is definitely a thumbs up. Real good mouth. Chobani. Let's just put the spoon aside and open it. Okay, looks like I need to get some strawberries up. Okay, just leave this right there and let's mix. Looks like some strawberry at the bottom. There's a fun fact about chobanis. All of the fruits are at the bottom. So that's why we kind of need a mix. Tastes like yogurt. Well, strawberry yogurt with some strawberry flavor. I am very hungry and the time is 5:20. So I'll be showing you what I collected in the supermarket. Come on, come on. Here we got some Lindo's chocolate. Yum. My favorite original Pringles. A lollipop that goes pop, pop, pop. Even though that doesn't do that. Kit Kat. Yummy in my tummy. And an apple? I never remembered collecting an apple, but at least it's healthy. So, my favorite things are a diesel, and that's on the bad side. I'll be going with the healthier option first, the apple. It tastes really good. The only problem is that it gets stuck in my teeth and that's not really good. So I'll just say, bye apple, bye. So now I'm done with the healthy side. I'll be going on the junk side, or junk food side. I'll be going with my favorite types of chips. Crunchy. Don't run away. I'll need you for later. For later. The chips are really, really good. First of all, it is really crunchy. Second of all, I love salt, so this is real, and this is also really salty. And now all I need to do is run for my cat. Okay, I'm done running, even though I didn't do anything. Next, I'm going to be trying the lollipop. Now, I'm going to be trying the lollipop. This is sweet strawberry flavor. I like that flavor. And plus, it is yummy and extra sweet. Next in line is our Linda's chocolate. Melt him out, I'm pretty sure. Drop out. Here's the Linda chocolate, my favorite flavor, milk. Plus it's also red, so that's really good. I love the liquid. This will almost take me forever to finish. So, I'm just talking. And it is the best melted mouth chocolate ever. And the last in line is our Kit Kat. There is 2 bars in here. Okay, it's like that the crunchy, really crunchy biscuit is inside, and just like above of it is a full chocolate, sweet chocolate layer. I could eat this forever. Now I'm full. I don't need any more chocolates. Looks like that's all what I am eating for the evening snack.